Look at this. Look at this Benz, bro. Welcome back to another video. You know, it's your boy 40p, and I'm back with another video. So your boy is officially at 1K, man, and I just want to thank each and every one of you. Let me turn this off because this shit is annoying. I want to thank each and every one of y'all that subscribe to me, man, that's supporting the channel, bro. Like, we at 1K now, man. You know, we can only keep going forward. I can't think of what I want to say, but I'm gonna say something. Nah, man. Sorry about the camera quality. I got this little cheap action camera, you know. But now your boy got 1,000, so I can put ads on my channel. So make sure y'all don't skip the ads, so I can, you know, give me a better camera, like a GoPro or something like that. You know, support the channel. I will be dropping merch pretty soon. Y'all stay on the lookout for that. We about to get lit, man. About to get lit. For this merch, I'm thinking about having long sleeves, short sleeves, sweatpants, hoodies, caps, phone cases, stickers, all that stuff, man. We about to take off, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I hate riding around with this thing on my forehead just because I feel weird. I feel weird.
It's weird.
Look at her. Alright, we gonna get a pull in, my boys. Watch this. They had a lot more to go, but as you seen, there was traffic coming up. But yeah, man, we just cooling. We're here right down the highway. I always come on this highway, even though this like 15-20 minutes from my house, bro. And I just be wasting gas on this, but it's worth it. Today I got the day off, so I'm gonna just take advantage of it. It's a Maserati back here. It looked like a 8 Series, but yep. Look at that. That shit is sexy. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but that thing is sexy. C300. Once again, I want to apologize for the camera quality. Like I said, I'm working with a cheap camera right now, so y'all just gotta bear with me. That might just be like a V6 Camaro. I wonder, can y'all hear my pops? I'm out of downshift. Just don't be popping when I downshift. I probably can't without. So I don't know what this dude problem was, but we was coming to a red light and dude was going fast as hell, man. So I don't know if he was late to something or if he was racing somebody. What, man? But y'all gonna see what's gonna happen in the next few seconds, because watch this, bro. Look at that. That shit is sexy, bro. Sexy. Sexy. Sound nice too. Why you getting in front of me, bro? You want some smoke? Is that an SS? That is an SS. That is an SS. We at this light right now. He the first car in line. I'm right behind him. Let's see what he gonna do. Okay, so right here, once the light turned green, I took off a little bit quicker than the cars that were next to me because I wanted to see what this dude behind me would do, right? So as I'm going through the intersection, I noticed that he's tailgating me. So I'm like, all right, once I get out of here, I'm going to drop it to first gear and I'm going to go ahead and give him all the beans. So after that, dropped it to first gear and took off on this boy and he got gapped. Get that little baby Benz out of here, boy. That little baby C300. He better go somewhere with that. He better go somewhere with that. Getting embarrassed by a Honda Accord. Look at this fool. Let's see if we can catch him on camera. Look at this fool. Look at him. Got smoked.